Soon enough. Thank you, Nick. And with the change in weather comes a new season. We're talking flu season. And tonight the CDC is out with a new warning. Following last year's unprecedented flu season during the COVID-19 pandemic, public health officials fear this upcoming season could potentially be much worse. ABC4's Haley Hendricks live in Salt Lake City with more on what authorities are saying tonight. Haley.
Emily, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention director attributes a smaller number of influenza cases to people wearing masks and social distancing last year. But with many of these prevention measures no longer in place, there's concern we could see a greater number of cases this year. CDC data shows about 2,000 Americans had a case of the flu last year. Intermountain Healthcare's Dr. Neil David says he didn't have one pediatric case, which surprised him when compared to past years.
I mean, when we hit peak flu season, we're seeing kids every day that are sick and sometimes quite sick with influenza.
During the 2019 to 2020 flu season, CDC data shows roughly 35 million people caught the respiratory virus.
With modest flu virus activity since March of 2020, CDC's flu experts are concerned that reduced population-level immunity to the seasonal flu could place us at risk for a potentially severe flu season this year.
CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says the potential for an increase in flu infections this winter is a concern. The symptoms of the flu can be similar to those with COVID-19. University of Utah Health's Dr. Jean Marie Mayer says if you feel sick and don't know what you have, to talk to your doctor before getting tested.
The biggest thing to still test for is really COVID. What's in the community right now? RSV, we're seeing some rhinovirus. And as we start to see more cases of influenza, that's when people should be asking their provider, could this be flu as well?
While the country could see a greater number of flu cases, public health officials encourage everyone who's eligible to get their flu shot. Well, if you haven't received your COVID-19 vaccine or your flu shot, the CDC says it's safe to get them both at the same time. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Haley. More on the COVID-19 vaccine tonight. Major new development.